Do you have a fear of losing your balance and falling? Maybe your ankles aren't as strong as they used to be, and you just can't walk like you used to. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not too late, and you can get your strength back. And with these seated leg exercises, that's where you're going to start. So today I'll share my 3 best leg and ankle exercises for being able to increase mobility. You'll get better balance. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to share stretches that you need to do after these exercises that nobody else is sharing. This is my second video in a series of seated leg exercises for the elderly. Hey, I'm Brenda, and I'm your trusted certified trainer with over 16 years experience. And I have worked with seniors and individuals that have undergone surgeries and have had past injuries. Before we dive in today, be sure to grab your freebie below. It's my exclusive leg exercises cheat sheet, and it's going to help you to do these exercises more regularly. So you'll download it, you'll print it out, and you'll have it right beside you, so you can do these exercises 3 or 4 times a week. And in the cheat sheet, I also have included the exercises from the first video I did. Top 3 seated leg exercises for seniors is also in the cheat sheet. So let's get started. But before we get started, I would like you to grab a towel or a band, just a light towel like this that you can grab and do the stretches that we're going to do after. And then I would like you to grab a ball or a pillow, something you can put between your legs and squeeze. So make sure the pillow has some firmness. Okay, we're going to work our inner thighs. You're going to sit up tall. You're going to come to the edge of your chair here and grab your pillow or your ball. You're going to place that right between your legs and think about that muscle. And then you're just going to squeeze, hold it, and relax. Squeeze and relax. So this is the tempo I want you to do. You're going to squeeze and relax. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so if that's easy, go 12 to 15. Like I said, I want you to do 2 more sets if you can. If you need to start with 1 set, that's fine. Some people with really weak legs, they'll get cramps. Make sure you have enough water. Be drinking that. And then just rub that out if you get a cramp and shake it out. You can stand up. But yeah, so we'll start our next exercise, which you need to put your chair up against a wall, and we're going to hit that outer thigh. Okay, so our next exercise, we're going to hit the inner thigh, and we're going to use our ball against a wall or something really sturdy. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it between your ankle and the wall. And then you're going to lift your foot and you're going to push. So when you're pushing, you're going to kind of go like this. You're going to move your foot kind of like that. And this is one I came up with for seated. So we're going to push 1, 2, 3. This works. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that really works. Okay, so that really hit the outside thigh and into your glute, which is going to be a great strengthening for your legs. And then you're going to pick up your chair, move it this way, and then you'll do the same thing. You'll push with this side going this way. And same thing, try to do the same amount as you did on this leg. And one leg's probably going to be a lot weaker than the other, but maybe not. Most of the time, that's how it is. One side's weaker than the other. So just do the best you can. And next we're going to do our ankles, and we're going to do ankle circles. Okay, so now we're going to do our ankle circles. So this is going to work your quad too. But if you want to put your leg on something to rest, but just don't have your heel on anything, so you can move that ankle. You can also kind of hold it and do your circles. So we're going to do 10 one way, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And use your big toe to do the circle, and that's going to help you really do some good circles. And then you're going to go the opposite direction. Now, this might feel stiff in your ankles. Don't worry. It'll loosen up the more you do these. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then we'll do the other side. 1, let's see. 1, we'll go inside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so because most people's ankles are weak and they're not used to going like this, we're going to do 1 foot at a time. So let's start with our right, and we're going to go soles facing in, which is inversion. And then we're going to rock it the other way. So I just feel like that'll be a little easier for you to do the eversion, which is the hardest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're doing great. 8, 9, 10, let's do 12, 11, and 12. All right, good. Now the left side. Inversion, eversion. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Awesome. So that's really going to help strengthen your ankles. And then I also thought, instead of using a towel for your stretches, grab a big pillowcase and roll it up, because that's going to be even better to do your stretches in. So let me take my shoe off here, and demonstrate that. So you're going to put it right like that, and then you're just going to point, and you can stretch it that way. If you need to, you can put your leg on a couch, or you can do this lying on the floor, sitting on the floor with your leg on the floor. But I want you to hold those for 20 to 30 seconds if you can. And then you're going to pull it to the side. And so your foot's going to be going like that. And you're going to pull with your right and stretch it that way. And then you're going to pull with your left and stretch it like this. That really gives a good stretch. And then you can point, and then of course pull it back again. All right, so that works a lot better than the towel. Okay, so now we're going to do the stretches that I promised. And we're going to start with the inner thigh stretch. Okay, so we're going to do an inner thigh stretch, and you're going to put your legs out wide, and then just be careful, lean forward until you feel that stretch in there. Now, if you don't feel safe doing this, you can do one leg at the side and then go forward. And if you need something to hold on to here, or a table that would be more safe for you, that's fine. But you want to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. And then you're going to do the other side, just like that. And you're going to feel it right in there. Now, if it's really tight, you can bend your knee a little bit, as long as you feel the stretch there, but don't overstretch it, because then you're just fighting against the muscle. Now we're going to do a cross leg stretch to hit that outside into your glute. And so you're just going to bring your leg up and sit up tall, just like that. And then you want to hold that. You can else count to 20 or 30. And you can even do this 2 times on each side. Try to breathe and relax, because a relaxed muscle will stretch. One that's tense will not. So you need to relax. And then we'll do the other side. Bring that side up. Now, if it's really tight and your knee's like this, you can put your leg down and hold it like that. And then put that leg down. All right. Well, I hope you're enjoying these exercises and can see the benefits. And I would love for you to like the video and then also subscribe so you can get notified of my next video, which they just keep progressing. So you have a whole program to work from. And if one is too easy, you can always start with video 2 or video number 3, which will be standing.